In this quick video, I am going to show you how to convert Notion to PDF. So first of all, select the page which you want to convert to PDF. Now go to the top right corner and click on these three dots, and now we need to select export option from here, and then it will give you this little window. From here we need to choose our export format as PDF, or you can choose any format you want, but I want to convert it to PDF, so we'll select this one. And now choose your include databases option as current view, and include content will be everything, page format will be later, and choose your scale percent as 100. And now you can choose these options according to your need, and now just hit export, and then it will start exporting your page as PDF. So we just need to wait for a bit, and now you can see the PDF has been downloaded on my computer. We just need to locate it in our downloads folder, right click on it, then click on extract all, and now your PDF file will be extracted on your PC. You can see the PDF file here. So this was the process. Now if it was a big help, can you like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.